Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to dive right into today's video. I'm testing out the Icegel's Gemstone Aurora gel that I recently purchased from Haenails. This is the first time that I am testing out this brand. So when I saw one of the nail trends that was going around, I wanted to get my hands on something that was really like pearly. And then I saw that Icegel had this pearly kind of gel and I just had to get it. So Icegel does say that they are cruelty free and they are a clean cosmetic, meaning that they only use anti-allergenic materials in their products. So, which is kind of nice. They state that they do have their own educator system, so that's kind of great to know because I'm all about education, learning more about the product and how to use them. Now let's jump into the design. I am starting off with color 1322 and it is a pink pearly color. It has more pink tone to it and this color is coming off so beautiful. Once my first layer is on, without carrying it, I'm going to take my dotting tool and I'm going to start swirling and creating my design. Once I like how it looks, I'm going to go ahead and cure that. I'm going to put a second coat on because we want the design to pop a little bit more. So once my second coat is on, I'm going to go ahead and swirl that design again. Now the first layer, you didn't have to swirl it, but I just felt like I wanted to do that, so that's why I did it. Once I like the design, I'm going to go ahead and cure that. And while that is curing, I'm going to start with the second design. I wanted to create another design because I wanted to show you guys that you can create multiple designs with this kind of gel. So I started with laying the first base down, cured, and then putting the second coat on. Without curing the second coat is when I'm going to start brushing diagonally to create the design. Just by brushing the gel in a diagonal direction, you can start seeing the design. So beautiful. This is so easy and I feel like anyone can definitely do it. But I'm going to take it a step further and create an ombre effect with my little sponge here. I'm now top coating the design and this is the finished look. Hope you enjoyed watching me test out this Aurora gel from Icegel and I will see you guys in my next video.